Hello, welcome back everyone. On today's video, I'm going to give you step-by-step guide on how to explore AI upskilling event onto the website AI Skills Navigator. I know there are a lot of queries on the channel once I've posted two videos yesterday and a day before. So in this video, I'm going to give you step-by-step guide of what you need to do once you have registered for the event. So just watch this video to get all your doubts clear. So step 1 is log into the AI Skills Navigator. Step 2 is go to the AI Skills Fest under event section. Step 3 is complete any course from featured playlist, and step 4 is come back to the Skills Navigator homepage. So step 1 is basically you have to go log into the AI Skills Navigator with your Microsoft ID, right? Whether it is Office ID or your personal ID, you can log in, right? And then step 2 is go to the AI Skills Fest under the event section, as you can see AI Skills Fest. And then step 3 is you will see this exclusive on demand learning onto the website. You have to select and complete any course from the featured playlist. So there are 5 playlists, which are IT developers, business professionals, educators, and executives. And there are different courses on each playlist. You have to complete any course from this featured playlist only, right? And then once you complete that course, you have to come back to this homepage section, which is AI Skills Navigator, AI Skills event. And then once you are in the process of completing the course, you will see the progress in there below this, right? And once that is completed, it will automatically tell you, click here for voucher, and sign here for click here for any gifts or sort of redemption. So that will pop up onto the home page once you complete your course from the featured playlist. So yeah, that is on to the basic step by step guide of what you need to do. Now let's jump and see this onto the AI Skills Navigator page. Let me switch screen now. Yep. So I'm onto the AI Skills Navigator login page. So your step 1 is obviously go to the AI Skills Fest. I'm into that one, right? Which is right now happening 8th to 12th June. Today is day 2. And here you see the exclusive on demand learning, which I mentioned, right? And you click on any featured playlist. So I right now I've been doing using Copilot at work. It is under, I believe, educators or students. Let's see. So the site is a little slow, as a lot of the students, learners, professionals from around the world are landing onto this page. So it is very slow as of now, and you might face challenges in terms of no data found, no page found, 404, right? So all these errors are normal. You have to just be patient and complete any course from the featured playlist section, right? This is crucial to get the voucher. The live learning part is for your uh, continuous upscaling. There is a scheduled mentioned, right, from 8 to 12 June. There are the live sessions happening on YouTube, not on LinkedIn. Yesterday it was not working. So yeah, as I was mentioning, it must be right here, maybe on the developers. Let's see all of those courses. But yeah, once you click on any playlist, you will see the different courses, whichever it is appropriate for you as per your educational background. Do that. Just open any course, or maybe you can just go to the using Copilot at work, which I am currently doing right now. It's taking some time to load. Let me just click on skilling playlist. So once you enroll any course into the playlist section, there you will see scaling playlist under the AI Skills Navigator, and you will click on this one, and it will show you your current course. You have to complete it, and only that you will get your vouchers, right? So it's taking some time to load. Let's wait for a few minutes. If not, then we can circle back in a few minutes. Let's see. Just some. Let's me come back here. Let's see. Uh, okay. Let's me go to scaling again. Sometimes you have to just go back to home page. The site will function smoothly as it is only day 2, so it will take some time. Now it is loading. It will see your current courses from the playlist section, right here under this one. I believe it's taking some time to load. but you will get the course once it loads properly, and you can resume the courses and complete, and then you will come back to the skills fest and get your vouchers for the different exams you wish to apply for, with whether it is PL 300, PL 400, etc. But it depends. You have to fill the form once you complete these courses from the playlist, and then you will have ample time and to prepare for the exam. Now it is loading. As you can see, I have enrolled this course yesterday using Copilot's agents at work. I can click on continue. It will take some time. Just let me walk you through how the course looks like from inside. It's very slow right now. Let's wait. Hmm. Yeah, it's very slow. I'm not sure why. Maybe I can come go back to events. Uh, Let me again go there. Let's wait if it opens faster now. It's faster. It shows 3%. So it is working now. Just open. Come on. Yeah, again, there are a lot of traffic on this website since yesterday, and that is the reason you will see the site is loading slowly. And I see a lot of responses on my videos as well. People are commenting that they're not able to open the website, getting crashed. So yeah, all of those doubts are normal. You just have to be wait patient and wait for some time. The site will function normally when there are not many people logging on. Yeah, it's a normal thing. I don't know what is. It opened. Yeah, I clicked on the event six skills fest. Yeah, just wait. I want to show you how it looks like. That is why I'm taking this much of time. As you can see, it shows the progress here. 3% I've completed. So once it is 100%, I can come back to skills fest and redeem my voucher. Yeah, as you can see, I can go to start learning again, and then again it's a normal course as you have seen from Coursera or Udemy, or there are so many MOOCs, massive open online courses websites which provide these courses. Similar interface Microsoft has provided, but now focusing on AI skills as it's the need of the hour, and along with these courses they are giving these vouchers as well. So that is the catch. That's the main part. That is why a lot of users are logging onto this website and doing these courses from the playlist. Yeah, it's taking some time to load, but yeah, once you get the idea, right? So you can see there are a lot of modules here: understanding agents, and there's this course into decisions, and you can start learning. It's not loading right now, but yeah, it's loaded now. You can continue, click on continue learning, and you can see the chapters in action, right? Yeah, so that's how a typical course under the playlist looks like. And you can complete these courses whenever the site is functioning properly, and let me know in the comment if you have any doubts. I will be happy to address those. So yeah, that is all from today. Thank you for watching.